Next up, we're working at the second challenge in your first function. It says finish writing the function func, which should take an argument x and return 5x plus 7 quantity squared. So it wants us to write our solution here. Let's go ahead and make sure we're tabbed in 5 spaces. What I want to do is I first want to return 5 times x plus 7. No need for any sort of order of operations, parentheses there. It's going to take care of itself naturally. I'm actually going to clean up my syntax here, put those guys together. And then it says that we want to square this entire thing. So we want to return 5 times x plus 7 to the second exponent. We can see this is a really similar expression, the only difference being that we have to explicitly use the multiplication operator. But let's go ahead and give that a test, see if it runs, and we can see that is the correct solution. We'll see you in the next video for the last challenge.